dyan, Sinapolis. At ngayon, magre-reporting ako tungkol sa electrical machine ALT1210. What is electrical machine? Electrical machines, which include devices like motors, generators, and transformers, possess several key characteristics. What is the motors, generators, and transformers? Electrical motors, generators, and transformers are essential components of the electrical system. They work together to convert energy between electrical and mechanical forms, powering a wide range of applications from household appliances to industrial machinery.
Electrical machine.
There are many types of motors, generators, and transformers.
Machine, which include device like motor,
Type of motors:
transformers,
stepper motor, disc motor, servo motor, synchronous motor, repulsion motor,
devices that creates
hysteresis motor,
mechanical or
reluctance motor, homopolar motor, shaded pole motor, liner DC motor, AC induction motor, DC brush motor, DC brushless motor, in-wheel motor, Series 1 DC motor, outrunner motor, capacitor motor, torque motor, magnetic levitation motor, compound 1 DC motor, 3-phase induction motor, single-phase induction motor, permanent magnet DC motor, universal motor, hydraulic motor, runner motor. Types of generators are biodiesel generator, diesel engine, gasoline generator, inverter generator, industrial generator, gas generator, induction generator, hydrogen generator, portable generator, solar generator, standby generator, and propane generator. Types of transformers are step-down transformers, step-up transformers, isolation type transformers, single-phase transformer, instrument type transformer, iron core type transformer, three-phase transformer, ferrite core transformer, earthing type transformer, power type transformer, toroidal core transformer, current type transformer. Thank you.